Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I know you're doing well, and today I wanted to talk about desire. When you think about desire, what comes to mind? You know, I'll talk about desire from my personal experience. And what I've noticed about desire, it's usually something that is a burning feeling that you have to get something done. Many years ago, when I when I designed my first online course, this was all around 2011. I had this desire to create a personal finance course, but I didn't know how. I didn't know where to start, but the desire pushed me to start creating and creating on video. At that time, video wasn't even popular, so I learned how to edit for myself. I put the course together. I didn't even know that anyone would want to look at the course, but the burning desire, I would wake up in the morning just thinking about this course, thinking about all the material I have to release because I was so full of something inside, like more like it's like a push, you know. So when that desire comes, give it volume, give it a voice, give it expression, give it an opportunity. Because I know all of you, you're having desires in your heart. They're steering you, keeping you up at night, but you're too afraid to give them expression. I challenge you to give them expression, even a small expression, because once you give your desire expression, the resources start to come. The people who are supposed to help you start finding their way towards you to help you. So give them expression, give that desire expression, even if it's a small thing, even just doing research, then sharing with a friend what your desire is, putting in putting on a few steps towards that desire. You see it unfolding and starting to come true because you're putting effort and some action backed to this desire, and that's how you see it appear in the physical. That desire is usually a God-sent gift, a gift that where it's telling you, I'm here, give me expression. This is where you're going to find your fulfillment. Interestingly, as you're fulfilling this desire, you're going to find that you start to get energized. You know, your expressions are better. You have this supernatural strength, almost like a wind of a freshness and newness to give this desire expression. You know, so you have help. So I encourage you, that desire, that thing you know you have deep down in your heart, oh yeah, give it expression. You won't be disappointed. As you give it expression, you'll find your tribe, you'll find your peace, your joy. You may even find your love in that expression, because I did. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.